Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a taco skillet bake. So I just added 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of sausage, added my seasonings, green onions, green chili peppers, tomato paste, and then beans. And then I just topped that off with some cheese and I baked it. You can just bake it till the cheese is melted, but I baked it for like 20 minutes at 375 till it was nice and bubbly. And then I topped it off with some chopped tomatoes, and then we served it with chips, and I had a garlic basil aioli I drizzled on top. Okay, so for this meal, I kind of just made it up. I was wanting something really different, and I had never done anything like this, and I decided to make like a cream cheese, almost a loaded cream cheese with bacon and green onions and cheese, and decided to just place it right on top of the chicken. And then I topped it with some of my garlic chives from the garden, and then I served that with, I made some French fries here. Okay, and then here I just made up some broccoli, and then I made more of that garlic basil aioli. I do have a video on that I will link if you are interested in making that. Okay, so I was really happy with how this chicken turned out. This whole meal was just really, really good. I baked the chicken at 375 for about 35 minutes, and then we just baked our fries and broccoli, and we used our garlic basil aioli as a dipping sauce. Okay, so for this meal, I'm making some lasagna, and I really did try to use up some things in my freezer. I had a ricotta cheese in there, I had some of this queso fresco cheese, and then I have had some pesto in there that I froze, and all that I wanted to use up. I seasoned it with parsley and pepper and garlic powder and onion powder, and then added my 2 eggs. And then I just mixed that up really well, and that was kind of my filling for the lasagna. Okay, and here I have, again, a ground beef and a ground sausage. And then I had some home canned marinara sauce in the pantry. And then I also had a little bit of pizza sauce in the refrigerator that I used up. And that was our sauce for the lasagna. And then we just layered sauce, pasta, and then our cheese filling. And we kept doing that till all of the ingredients are gone. So I was really happy with how this lasagna turned out for just being able to find stuff from the freezer. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks, bye.